I finally wrote a loop without Googling it. Sounds small, but it meant something big. This week, I practiced one thing: showing up. With Python, with patience, with progress. And honestly, that loop taught me more about parenting than programming. I got stuck on the basics: indentation, missing colons, logic that didn't quite click. I almost quit. But then I took a breath, rewrote it slowly, and finally saw it work. That moment reminded me of parenting. You guide, you try again, and sometimes it's messy before it makes sense. One loop, one step, one day at a time. I'm not fluent in Python, not even close, but I showed up. That's the part I'm proud of, because showing up builds fluency in more than just code. You don't have to master the whole thing, just the next piece. Whether it's Python, parenting, or presence, just commit to your next loop. Next time, I'll show you how a simple tracker helped us rebuild accountability at home. A whiteboard, a spreadsheet, a whole new rhythm.